that slopes down, and pretty much that is the creek. And then you got a big water body back here. This is unusable part of your property, and then you wouldn't be able to get to even access this because this is probably too wet to get across.
Okay.
But that's still your property, and that's still your property. But this probably is wetland in here, so you ain't gonna be able to do anything with that. And then these areas right here, this comes through your whole property, and it comes out through here. There's an old pond here. So this is their pond, I guess. It may be their retention pond. Let's cut it off and see. You can't see it, but this is probably a retention pond for this subdivision. So you know, just knowing what you can use and what you can't use is gonna be like big for you. Because like even when you look at this area right